Hello, I am Patricia Hamilton, and the blended learning course I am designing, titled Making the Switch Leader in Me ePortfolios, is based on my innovation plan of having my campus transition out of our physical leadership notebooks and into digital portfolios. This course will guide students through the process of creating and maintaining a Leader in Me ePortfolio, aligning with the principles of the 7 Habits. The course is designed to help students reflect on their learning, track personal growth, set goals, and showcase their leadership skills in a digital format. The level of instruction for this course will ultimately be for students at the elementary level, kindergarten through 5th grade, because these are the students currently using leadership notebooks, but the initial implementation will be with 5th grade students. Therefore, the intended audience will be 5th grade students who will use ePortfolios, as well as the classroom teachers facilitating and moving the students along the course. Some key concepts of this course are the classroom learning goals and student expectations on technology guidelines and policies. This will be a personalized learning approach to the course. The leadership notebook is something the students and teachers are already familiar with, but this ePortfolio will enhance and elevate the students' learning and leadership experience. This is an outcome-based education course, as ePortfolios help to show students' learning outcomes, the things they've learned, and the goals they've achieved, instead of simply completing assignments and assessments. The students will be able to see how much they have grown in different subjects and share that with others. Assessment of 4 as learning. At the end of the year or term, the teacher will look at the portfolios and to see how much the students have learned. One of the unique and exciting components of using an ePortfolio is that the students get to look back at their own work and reflect. They will be able to see how they have improved and what areas they need to work on. The students will also set and track learning goals, and these learning opportunities will help the students develop their growth mindset, and reflecting on their work will help them take charge of their learning journey. ePortfolios do encourage deeper learning because the students won't just do tasks for the sake of completing them. They will get to reflect on what they have learned, think critically about their work, and make choices about what to include in their ePortfolios. The students will also set goals for themselves, which helps them deepen their understanding of what they are learning, and they will further develop communication skills by having opportunities to connect with their peers and provide feedback on their ePortfolio. While the teacher will guide the students along the ePortfolio creation, it is the students who will choose what projects, pieces of writing, and reflections will go into it. They will decide how they want to showcase their learning, and this is how the students are in control of how they learned and how they present their progress. The teacher will be there to help the students to learn how to create, use the ePortfolio, give feedback, and suggest ideas for growth and improvement. Some of the key documents of this course is the Fink's 3-column table that includes the big, hairy, audacious goal and the course schedule and outline. The course will align itself to this big, hairy, and audacious goal. Within this table, there will be learning activities and assessment activities to go along and support the different learning goals of foundational knowledge, application, integration, human dimension goals, caring goals, and learning how to learn goals. The course schedule and outline. This schedule outlines the modules for the course, breaking down the essential activities, key focus areas, and assessments to guide both teachers and students through the process of creating and maintaining their Leader in Me ePortfolios. The course spans the entire academic year, but it is divided into 7 modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of the portfolio creation, leadership development, and reflection. Module 1 being the introduction to ePortfolios and leadership, where ePortfolios will be introduced along with the 7 habits and the purpose of the leadership portfolios. Module 2, around week 3 and 4, will be setting up the ePortfolio, organizing it, and structuring it for academic work, personal growth, and leadership development. Module 3, academic content and goal setting. Around week 5 and 6, we'll be connecting academic work to leadership goals and setting actionable learning goals for the year. Module 4, the personal growth and leadership reflection. Around weeks 7 and 8, we'll reflect on personal growth and leadership using the 7 Habits framework. And Module 5, incorporating creativity and multimedia. We'll be focusing on adding creative elements to the ePortfolio. Module 6 will be the mid-year check-in and goal reflection to focus on the progress of the academic goals, leadership, and the development of the ePortfolio, where the teachers can make sure the ePortfolios are moving along as they need to be and assist with any changes that need to be made. And then the final module will be the final reflection and student-led conference. Students in a Leader in Me environment are expected to lead a conference, a parent-teacher conference, where they will demonstrate growth and achievements. So this module will finalize and prepare the students for that conference. There will also be ongoing learning throughout the course in the form of weekly reflections, where the students will consistently update their reflections on leadership learning, personal growth in their ePortfolios, and regular feedback. Teachers will provide formative feedback on students' progress, guiding them in refining their goals, leadership reflections, and ePortfolio content. There will also be collaborative learning where the students are encouraged to give peer feedback, collaborate, and share of ePortfolios to foster a learning community. There will be options for some optional add-on challenges and sessions to encourage students to continue updating their ePortfolios over the summer with new academic or personal goals. And then a final goal setting session to have students reflect on the course's impact and set future learning goals for middle school, high school, and beyond the classroom.